Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how I make my fried turkey wings. This is very easy. You need few ingredients for this recipe and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must try recipe. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. So as you can tell from the video, these are my turkey wings that I'll be using, and I made incisions on top before adding in the seasoning. So for the seasoning, I'll go in with ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, vegetable seasoning, salt and chili powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice. You can even blend the fresh veggies and then add it to it. I'll marinate this for 1 hour. 6 hours overnight is even better. I added in fennel seeds as well. So I'll stir this and then make sure everything is well combined. I'll then cover it with a cling film and let it sit for at least 1 hour. You can go in for 6 hours or overnight, and trust me, it's going to turn out delicious. So after 1 hour, I added it to my saucepan. I let it steam for about 5 to 7 minutes before adding in the water. Once you add in the water, make sure you check if the salt is for your liking before covering it, and then let it cook until it is ready. So once it's cooking, I'll go ahead and blend my veggies, which is onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper and green bell pepper. So I'll cover it, blend this until it is halfway smooth. Once the meat is ready or the bed is ready, I'll go ahead and fry this bad boys. So add oil to your saucepan, fry this bad boy. So basically, when I'm frying my turkey wings, I cover it. You don't want any mess in your kitchen, so please cover it until it is done frying on the other side. Open it, flip it, and then let it cook until, or let it fry until it is ready. This does not take no time. And then, you know, turkey, once it is cooked, you do not want to over fry it. Remove it from the oil, and then in the same saucepan, I took out some of the oil. I added in the blended onion mix, and then I'll let this cook until it is halfway cooked before adding in the rest of the ingredients. So stay close to it and then keep stirring. This took like less than 15 minutes for getting ready because it's not that much. Once it is halfway cooked, I added in dried shrimp powder, dried herrings powder, chili flakes, vegetable seasoning and salt. I'll stir this together till well combined again. So if you want, you can add in the shrimp cube if you don't have the shrimp powder. After I added in my chopped veggies, which is red bell pepper, red onion and green bell pepper. Basically, these are the ingredients needed, and then stir this till well combined till it's till the veggies is a little bit cooked. You do not want to overcook the veggies, and this is what you're looking for. This turned out yumicious, Jinamicious. Try this recipe and let me know. So once everything has come together, I added in back the turkey wings, and that's it, guys. I'll close it and let it cook slowly for about 5 minutes for them to exchange flavors, and guys, you're good to go. So this goes well with fried yam chips, fried potatoes, cooked rice. That is what I ate this with cooked rice, guys, and it turned out delicious. Just look at it. It was amazing. Delicious, guys. Look at this. This will take you to heaven. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this is amazing. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I served this with fried plantain as well, and it turned out oh dear. It was so delicious, guys. Try it and let me know in the comment section. Love you all. Stay blessed. Till then, bye bye.